Okay, hopefully everyone now has the handout. It's been given to you. The handout should start with up here 2.5 dependent and independent events. Okay, we're going to look at this. So let's start off here with compound events involve two or more separate events. Probability is found by adding the probability of each event. Usually the word or is indicated. So let's look at the first question here. You guys have space to write, but I'm going to write on this paper here, this line paper here instead. Okay, so let's see question one. If two dice are rolled, one red and one green, it really doesn't matter if two dice are rolled, find the probability that a total of 2 or a total of 12 would take place. So we've done 1A before a few times, so 1A, okay, 1A. So the probability, so the probability of 2 is 1 and 1, the probability of 12 is 6 plus 6. So we've got two probabilities there. So for 1A, 2, and the bottom is 6 squared because 2 is 6 times 6 aside. Whoops. For some reason, I'll just click theirs. And 2 over 36. Now, rounding, which is an issue sometimes, let's get our calculator out. Let's see what 2 over 36 is. See if we can round that to 2 decimal places. So there we go. 2 divided by 36. We could reduce it to 1 over 18, but let's just round 0.055555 keeps going. So if we turn that into a percent, we'd multiply that by 100, we move the decimal over. 5.55. Now how do we round? It's like 555. It just keeps going. So that's like 5.56% if you round it correctly. So 5.56%. So again, the 5, see the 5.5, this one rounds that one up to 6. So it's 5.56%. And then we got B here, 1B. We're just going over the items here. So 1B, 3 or a pair. So 1B here, a 3 or a pair. So again, that keyword is or. So 3 to roll a 3, need a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 1. Well, there's 6 pairs. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So there's 6 of these, and whoops, can't do a really nice try. 2 of these. So again, 2 plus 6 over 36. So 2 plus 6 over 36. 8 over 36. 8 of those over 36. If I use my calculator, 8 divided by 36. Now multiply that by 100 so I can see. Let's see how I round. This time it's 22.22%. The third number is less than 5, so it doesn't round up. So it's 22.22%. Okay, let's continue on to question 2. These are all or questions, so we add. So I'm going to flip if you need that. It's right here. Okay, now we've already done these types of questions before, kind of just reviewing. So we're going to move on to question 2. Let's read question 2 here. Okay. From a standard deck of 52 cards, where 3 cards are given out, find the probability your hand has 3 face cards. So find the probability that your hand has 3 face cards. So, or 3 even cards. So we're going to add. So we know there's going to be a plus involved. So we know there's a plus involved for this question 2A. Okay, 3 face cards. So let's take a look. How many face cards are there? So I'm thinking there's 3 cards in total. There are 12 face cards, and you want 3, so you choose 3. Okay. And there's 20. Okay. There's 3 face cards, so you choose 3. Let's look. And even, there's 20 even cards. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times 4, there's 20 even cards. You want to choose 3. And all this is over the same denominator, 52, choose 3. So we're going to enter this into our calculator. So you guys can do it at the same time as me, right? You can do 12 and choose, let's see what that is, 12, choose 3. Okay, plus 20. Second, choose 3. And you'll get an answer of 1360. 1360 there. And then you find the bottom. So then you do the bottom. So you do 52, choose 3. So 52, choose 3. And you got 22100. That will divide the 2. 1360 divided by 22100. Okay, so that's not a percent. So you multiply by 100. Okay, and if you look on the calculator, 6.15, the 3, so the 2 decimals, 6.15%. So round to 2 decimals, 6.15%. Now do B here. You have 3 spades, 3 clubs, 3 hearts, or 3 diamonds in your hand. So there's all these options. Well, how many spades? There's 13 spades. And you have 3, they say, plus, well, 13 and 3 of the next one, clubs, plus 13 and 3 hearts, plus 13 and 3 diamonds, all over. Well, still 52, choose 3. So you have 4 of those. Look, when you add 4 numbers, adding the same number over and over again is like multiplying. So what you could do here is go 13, choose 3, multiply by 4, and then go 52, choose 3. So that's 52, choose 3. We know what the bottom is. It's 22100. It's the same as up here. And we just got to find 13, choose 3 times 4. So we'll get our calculator. 13, choose 3. Let's do that again, not 53. 13, second, choose 3. Not minus. Okay, I can do minus 0. It's 286. We can do that. You can try it on your calculator with 13. One last time, choose 3. 286. Now, you should be doing this at the same time as me. Don't waste your time and just sit there and do nothing. So now I got 286 divided by 22100. Again, I'm going to multiply it by 100 to convert it. Okay, I think I forgot to multiply by 4. Let's try that again. 13, choose 3. 13, choose 3. Just one more time. 286. I got to multiply that by 4 yet. See, I forgot to multiply by 4 times 4. And now I get 1144 over 22100. And let's try that divided by 22100. Now I'll multiply that by 100. And I get, let's see the rounding. So 5.176, round to 2 decimal. That's 6 makes that, it's bigger than 5, makes that turn into an 8. So I get 5.18, and this is a percent. So I get 5.18%. Again. Now, I think, let me just take one look, see how much time I'd have on this video. So I may have to pause it. So do we still have a bit of time? So what I'm going to have to do is you're going to have to start the next video, and after this one, just start it right away, and we'll continue this on the next video.